Good morning, students. Today's topic is the continuation of chapter number 4, Agriculture from Geography. And today I will discuss with you about the agriculture development and an example between the form of India and USA, and in which I will discuss and explain with you that how the farm system of USA is different from India. So, first of all, I will go through the agricultural development. So, students, first of all, one question will arise here that what is agriculture development? Okay. So, agricultural development refers to efforts whatever made by the government of any country to increase farm production or to increase agriculture activity to complete the meet and the growing demand of increasing population. All right. And students, I think you all well known about the development of agriculture, in which people use different method to increase the fertility of soil, and after using high tech irrigation facilities and also using artificial insecticides and fertilizers, and also HYV, it means high yielding varieties of seeds to increase the crop production in the field. And this also included the mechanization of agriculture. It means due to the mechanical and technological development, nowadays mechanical thresher, harvester, and irrigation machines and equipment are available to increase the crop production and also for harvesting. Understood? And agriculture development is very necessary for any developing countries, especially like India, for food security or to provide food to every people of India with the help of a ration shop. And students, here the meaning of food security is that food security exists when all people at all time have access to sufficient, safe and nutritious food to meet their dietary needs and food preferences for an active and healthy life. Okay? As you know very well that Government of India provide us to food by the or with the help of ration shop. Okay? That's why agriculture development is very necessary nowadays. And you know very well that agriculture has developed in all over the world. But the pattern of agriculture is totally different from one country to another country. For example, developing countries like India with large population usually practice intensive agriculture. It means where crops are grown on small holdings, mostly for subsistence, or we can say in another language, where people growing crops in a very small plot of land and very densely and populated regions of India to complete their livelihood and to complete their day by day needs, and whatever part of crops left by them after using for themselves, that part of crop sell by the farmers into the market. All right, but if we will discuss and talk about the developed countries of the world, so like United States of America, Canada, and Australia, having a large holding of agriculture land, in which they are doing agriculture activity but commercial purpose, because they have lot of money, they have a big area for cultivation, and also they are using very developed technology to take care of the field. And in India still some farmers using old technology and manual work in the field to grow the crops. All right, so students, now I am going to discuss about the pattern of farming related to the India and USA. But first of all, I will go through the Indian farming system. For example, Munna Lal is a small farmer and who are living in a small village of Adilabad in Ghazipur in Uttar Pradesh, and he has very small plot of land, like only 1.5 hectares, and he is living in a main village and having a very small house, and in the compare of other farmers of India, he is better than others. That's why every year he purchases high-yielding variety of seeds, and his plot of land where he is cultivating the crop, that is fertile, and he is able to grow at least 2 crops in a year, like wheat, rice, and sometimes pulses. And after some time later, when Munna Lal takes advice to his friends and elders, and as well as government agriculture officer for the farming practice. So whatever advice given by them, that was very good and very favorable, and if Munna Lal use that as wise, then he can grow more and more crop and can earn enough money. That's why he takes a tractor on rent for plowing in his field, and also takes irrigation facility by the nearby tube well. But still, some friends of Munna Lal doing agriculture practice in their field, and they are using old methods like bullocks for plowing. And students, Munna Lal also has 2 buffaloes and few hens, and he sells milk in the cooperative store which is located in the town, and he is very clever. That's why he is a member of the cooperative society, and the society advises him that what type of food and fodder you will use to feed your animals, and whatever safety measures if you will use to take care of their animals, etc., etc. And the family members of Munna Lal family also helps in the all the activities of Munna Lal, and Munna Lal also takes credit from a bank to buy the yielding variety of seeds and some tools and implement related to the agriculture activity. And whatever finally he is growing, he sells in the mandi, which is located nearby the town. And student, as you know very well that in India, majority of the farmers do not have lack storage facility. That's why they are forced to sell the produce in the market. Alright. So students, on the basis of story of Munna Lal, you can understand that how the life of Munna Lal is very difficult, and he is struggling too much to earn extra money to feed their family, etc., etc. Okay? And finally we can say his life is not easy anyhow. But if we will see the farming pattern of the United States of America, in which Joe Horan, who is a big farmer of USA, and he has 300 hectares of land, and he is growing sometime corn, soya bean, wheat, cotton and sugar beet. So students, now you can understand that if Joe Horan is cultivating crop on the 300 hectares plot of land, and Munna Lal is cultivating crop only 1.5 hectares plot of land. Okay? And he grows corn on his field after making sure that soil and water resources meet the needs of the crop. And he is using all the adequate measures to control pest that can damage the crop, and time to time he sends the soil sample in a laboratory to check out the fertility of soil and nutrients of soil. And Joe Horan also check out the or take care of the land with the help of computer, because he has fixes the camera around the field to take care of the agriculture field. And he is also using small chartered planes for the spray of pesticides, which you can see in figure number 4.17. Okay? And he uses mechanized tractors, seed drillers, leveler, combine harvester and thresher to perform various agriculture operations. And the grains are stored by him in the automated grain storage. Alright. So on the basis of above example, now you can understand that the farmers of USA works like a businessman and not like a peasant farmers like a Munna Lal in India. So students, on the basis of above example, you can understand very clearly that why agricultural development is necessary. So student, this is necessary only to increase the crop production in the field and also earning more and more money. So students, here finally chapter number 4 agriculture completed, and in my next explanation I will discuss with you question and answer of this chapter. Alright, so for today's that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.